Dr. Jenkins, a quirky inventor, was obsessed with saving lives. One day he stumbled upon a revolutionary idea, a machine that could predict when someone would sneeze. Imagine the lives saved from avoiding sneezes while driving, he exclaimed to his skeptical assistant, Lucy. After months of tinkering, the machine was ready. They tested it on Jenkins himself. Achoo! He sneezed right on cue. It works, Lucy laughed, but it only predicts your sneezes. Jenkins shrugged. Well, at least I won't crash my bike anymore. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.